Hey guys, Nishant here. This is a video I am making for some basic tools which you should always carry whenever you are touring or just have a motorcycle and for the basic maintenance of it. So these are very budget and handy tools and I have always carried them whenever I am going to Spiti or any other state whenever I am touring or something. So let's get into it.
So the first thing in the list is this. This is a pocket knife. I got it in an offline shop and there are many online available as well. I would link everything which I am mentioning in this video in the description, so just check it there. So this is a pretty good knife. You will get it very blunt and right now it's also not very sharp, but you can get it sharp from outside and it looks pretty good. And if you have something, you're stuck somewhere, you want to cut something, or just maybe as a personal defense, one should carry it. I am into knives a lot. If you think that you are mature enough to carry a knife, then why not? This is really a good knife, and in a time of emergency, this really serves well. Say you are stuck somewhere and you are making your own food, you have to cut a pack of Maggi, you have to maybe cut some meat or something, then these things come very handy just as a survival option. So this was the first thing. Let's come to the second one, and the second one is this. This is a bracelet. I call it survival bracelet. This is very cheap. You can get it for $1 or something. So this is made up out of paracord and it is very strong. It is, I think, around a meter long or more than a meter. I would just type it here, whatever the length is. So this has a lot of things in it. So first of all, you can wear it like this on your hand. I hope I am in focus. So well, like this, you get the point. So after that, when say you are stuck and you want to tow your bike and you don't have any rope or something, then this can come in hand. Or you just have to tie something. Maybe say you have a handguard on your motorcycle and the nut has gone loose and it got dropped on the road, so you can tie it with this help of a rope. Believe me, ropes come very handy. So what else this has is this is a fire starter. Now on a motorcycle you don't really need it. If you have to first start a fire, you can start it by a battery as well. So this is a kind of survival gear, and I am into survival gears a lot, so I always carry this. So what this does is, you can see here, and there you go. These are the sparkles which these things ignite. I don't remember the name of the stone. This is something. And any knife can also just any knife or something you need, and you just have to do like this and the sparks will come. So the other thing is this is a whistle, and this can be used. It is not, first of all, it is not very loud. It is substantially loud, but not the loudest whistle you will ever hear. So it will help you whenever maybe you are stuck somewhere in jungle, when maybe off-roading and there's a rescue team also coming, your friends are coming to find you. So you can use this whistle to call them and stuff. So this also comes very handy. You can find the link in the description of it. So now comes the main thing which I always carry whenever I am riding, on the Sunday ride as well. And this is this. This is additional part which I bought. This is a Ganzo multi-tool. Just a sec, let me make it auto focus. Yes, let's hope it does focus. Okay, so this is a Ganzo 202B, and what this tool is, it's a multi-tool. Let's just keep this aside for the camera to focus. So yeah, this is a multi-tool. It has a plier in the front which comes very handy. Believe me, when you are stuck somewhere, bullet owners or RE Enfield owners would really appreciate this. I have ridden with a lot of Enfield riders, and often the screws come loose, and even normal riders as well, Apache, KTMs. Every bike has vibrations, so this comes handy to tighten them. So the first thing it has is pliers. Now this is a spring action plier, so it will also help in, like, it won't get stuck somewhere or something like that. So now we can access all the tools when it is closed. The first of this is a knife. This, if you have the pocket knife, then all and good, this one. But if you don't have it, then this comes very handy. This is also a major knife, and you can use it to cut stuff and make food or something, or maybe you have some wires which you have to cut. Additional thing, this plier also has wire cutters in it. There has been some carbon deposited on the wires of the battery terminals, then you can just cut it from here. So the second thing is this. This is very important and the most best thing of this multi-tool. This will come to later. This is another knife, I'll say, and this is the saw in it. This also works. I would also be doing a full review of this tool, so might watch for it. I will show every tool and how it works and all. So this is another type of saw. It is used for cutting ropes and all. This is a bottle opener and a can opener. This is a minus screwdriver, I think, and we have scissors. These also helps a lot. These are very small but still helps a lot. So now let's come to this thing. This is the essential thing you need as a motorcycle rider. What is it? Let me show you. In this you get these. So attaching this, come on, over here, and now you can use any screwdriver you want in it. So say you have anything you, oh, my bad. So this is how you attach a screwdriver on it, and it works fairly well. But most of the bikes currently have nut bolts in it. So what is this is, I bought this. So it has this attachment. Let's just remove this and here, and now you can use any bolt. Let's see, this is a 10mm bolt used in bikes a lot. 10mm, 8mm, 9mm. Mostly bikes like KTM, Bajaj, TVS, Royal Enfield, all of these have these kind of bolts as only. So this can be used, and I will just put a video of me opening the oil filter cap of my Apache using this. So as you can see, this really helps a lot, and it is really an essential part. You don't need to carry some big ratchets or sockets or something, and the stock toolkit you get on your bike is complete trash. So this is really helpful, and this really helps you, say your anything gets loose, you can tighten it on the road itself. You don't need a mechanic or something, or someone. So there's another multi-tool which I also use, which is this. You can get either of those. This has X, and this has an X in it and a hammer in it. You don't really need it in bike riding unless you have an accident in which you have to maybe bend your crash guards, you have to adjust your gear lever which might have bent. So this is other tools. I'll leave a link in it. I'll leave a link in the description. It also has a saw and all stuff. So let's come to the next thing. So sorry, someone was at the door. So the next thing which I always carry with me is this. This is a tubeless puncture repair kit, and it is, as the name states, it is used to repair any puncture which you might get on your tubeless tires. If you have tube tires, then you may get an extra tube and the tools which require to open the tires. And even if you don't know how to repair the, say, tubeless tires or the tubed ones, there might be someone, a mechanic or any person from army or something, which, or any other guy on the road which knows how to fix it. So always carry an additional tube as well as these puncture repair kits if you have a tubeless tire. So well guys, that's all the tools which I always carry with myself. If you have extra space and if you have to drive in night somewhere, then you can also carry this torch. This is a small pocket torch and this works really well. As you can see, it is pretty bright and it has many features, strobe light and stuff. So yeah, if you want, you can carry this as well. So these are all the tools which I always carry with myself when I'm on any tour or something. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. All the links for all these stuff would be in the description below. Just check them out, and I would really suggest you to get all of these. These will help you in any situation where you are riding solo, and even if you are in group, and you might be the savior for the ride. So thanks for watching guys. This is Nishant. Bye bye.